Networking could not be a chore. Do you wish that you could have more meaningful conversations? Do you know that you should network, but you don't because you don't like it? Well, I'm going to change that for you today. Happy World Online Networking Month. And today we're going to talk about how you can pitch and how you can shift from the pitch slapping to actual meaningful conversations. I'm going to give you a better way, a different way. And the best part is, it is stupid simple. I'm Laura Morlando, the Stress Commando, and I am the founder and CEO of Down and Dirty Networking. And our community is 100% relational networking. So what do I mean by that? Well, relational networking is about having a meaningful conversation to learn from and about somebody. And this is our next episode for World Online Networking Month of Networking Know-How, where we give you stupid simple tips so that you can network more meaningfully, more stress-free, like we do inside of our Down and Dirty online networking community. And this month is World Online Networking Month. And because we are focused on relational networking and not pitch slapping, where we can ditch the pitch, where we can actually have a conversation, we are going to give you the next step. This is week 4 of what we are doing for World Online Networking Month, which is our World Online Networking Challenge. Hey, I see some people watching live. Thank you for watching. Get up and chat. Join the conversation. Say hello. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know how you're doing with the challenge. Now, if this is your first time tuning in, let me kind of quickly explain. We decided every year we host World Online Networking Month, and we do a different activity, do a big event as well. Now, our event was last week, so if you missed it, you missed a good one, but you have not missed out on the challenge. The way the challenge is run is every Wednesday, since October 1st started on a Wednesday, from Wednesday to Wednesday, when we go live, or when I go live, I give you the activity for the week. So today ends week 3's activity, and we're starting week 4's activity. And because next Wednesday is not the end of the month, there's still a couple of days, there's going to be a 5th bonus activity. And quite honestly, it's going to be the most fun activity that you're going to do of the entire challenge. Now, the purpose of this challenge is for you to reconnect with your network in a way that is stupid simple, takes minutes per week to do, and is something that raises your vibrational energy and you actually enjoy doing it. I was excited to talk to a couple of challenge participants, and they're like, Laura, it just made me feel so good. It was so easy. I love stupid simple. I've talked to others that are like, oh, my days have been so full. I don't know how I'm going to get it all done. And when I showed them what all the activities were, so if this is you and you're watching, to get caught up, you'll be able to do all 4 weeks activity in about an hour. Like, it's so stupid simple. When I tell you it's stupid simple, it's stupid simple. Stupid simple does not mean that it's not effective. It can be super effective. And so we've combined the best of both worlds. And because we're leveraging and building this on relational networking, it's super simple. So the weeks 1 through 3, we were reconnecting with our network. So if you're new and you're like, I want to jump in this challenge and I'm ready to jump in, just go ahead and put the word challenge or put the words I'm in so that I know, and I will reach out. Hey, if you're in a challenge, you can type those words, and whatever platform you're watching on, whether it's LinkedIn, YouTube, or if you're on Facebook, I will go ahead and comment. The way that this works, there's nothing to sign up. There's no sign up form. You're not opting into an email list. What'll happen is you drop a comment, and then I will personally DM you the activities. So if you're getting caught up from the beginning, I will give you what the activities were to get you caught up. For those of you who are keeping up with us, I will be releasing what the week 4 activity is. You ready? Week 4, stupid simple too. This week, we are expanding our network. And your challenge for this next week, between now and next Wednesday, is to reach out to 5 people. 5 people you are not currently connected to. So on whatever social media platform that you are utilizing. So if you're using LinkedIn, for example, maybe you find these are 5 people you would really love to get to know and build a relationship with. Your goal with those 5 people is to follow them, comment on their content, and connect with them. And by connection, maybe you're sending them a connection request, but for what will make it really rich is if you follow first and start commenting thoughtfully on their posts. Remember, the goal is to create a relationship, not to sell somebody. The goal is not to pitch slap somebody. We're ditching the pitch, remember? So that's not the purpose. And so when you give people thoughtful comments on on their content that they're creating, they're like, oh, someone sees it. How many times have you created content and no one comments and crickets are chirping and you're like, oh, all that work and nobody's seeing it? It means a lot when you comment thoughtfully. Now, by commenting thoughtfully, I'm not talking about a thumbs up, like, or hey, this is, one word, awesome, or great job. Yes, those are helpful. What I'm talking about is 7 words or more. It is actually known that on the LinkedIn algorithm, if you comment 7 words or more, you actually get more exposure. And it has also been found that it can also be said of other platforms like Facebook or even Instagram, where there are comments. So whatever platform you want to make as your primary, if you're going to be doing all of them, that's totally up to you what platform you want to use. But for us, whether you're commenting on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook, you get to choose where you execute this challenge. And so if LinkedIn's the primary, which is my primary, I'm going to find the people on LinkedIn that I want to connect with, that are new, that I don't know, and I'm going to follow them. Then I'm going to give them some social media love to show I'm a real human. I'm not an AI robot. And so I'm going to comment thoughtfully on some of the content that really resonates with me. I'm not going to be cheesy. I'm not going to do anything that doesn't align with me or doesn't resonate with me. I'm going to be truthful. And so if I really like something and it's really truthful, I'm going to comment thoughtfully. And my thoughtful comment will have more than 7 words, more than likely, when I really want to have a conversation. What if they were standing in front of me? What would I want to say to them? How would I want them to feel to read this? Where can I make them feel good for putting this content out, even when maybe nobody else is commenting? What if I'm commenting on something where hundreds of people have commented? Doesn't matter. I'm still showing up, giving this person that social media love. I'm still going to show up authentically. I'm going to show up like a real person, not an AI bot. And I'm going to tell them what I think about this content and give them my honest, like I'm going to give them their flowers, basically. Like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, and here's why. So if you are in on this challenge, it's really easy. You comment thoughtfully on their post. Oh my gosh, I love this. This 100% resonates with me, and here's why. That's it. That's all you have to do when you're commenting with someone. I'm so impressed by this. Here's why. I love this. Here's why. That's all you have to do. And that's how you get to 7 words or more. Here's how you get to thoughtfulness. Hey, I see more people watching live. Glad you're here. Jump in and chat. Let me know where you're watching from. And let me know if you're in this challenge. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's World Online Networking Month. And all you have to do is drop the word challenge or I'm in, and I will DM you the details. There's no form to sign up. There's nothing to buy. It's simply a way for you to reconnect with your network and expand your network. And this is the week 4 activity where we are expanding our network. You're going to follow, you're going to comment, and then you're going to connect. Now on LinkedIn, that would be sending a connection request. And I would do that after I've commented again to show I'm a real human. And so this way, what I have found is when I do it this way, people are more likely to accept the connection request and start a conversation with me. Because let's face it, that is the point of relational networking. Relational networking is having a meaningful conversation to learn from and about someone to build a lasting and authentic relationship. And what this challenge is proving is you can do all of this online. You can do this in the DMs, and it's highly effective, and it's really stupid simple. So, are you in? Are you in for week 4? And remember, there's going to be a 5th activity because we've got a few simple days. So next Wednesday, I'll go back live and I'll give you the last activity of the World Online Networking Challenge. So if you're in, just drop I'm in or challenge, the word challenge, and I will DM you the details for the week 4 activity, which is expanding your network, reaching out to 5 people that you're going to follow, comment, and then connect. And then just share your results. Just DM me back and let me know what your results that you've completed the challenge for the challenge activity for the week. That's it. Super simple. Again, nothing to buy, no email list to go on, but we're delivering on how stupid simple can be super effective and how stress-free networking is possible when you engage in relational networking. What a better way to celebrate World Online Networking Month, and we get to raise our vibrational energies and those that we reach out to. So if this has been helpful, give me a thumbs up. And again, if you're in the challenge, go ahead and say I'm in or drop the word challenge, and I will make sure to send you the week 4 activity and recap weeks 1 through 3. And if you try to do all 4 activities at once, you can do them all. And guess what? It's going to take about an hour for you to do. So you got a whole week to do it. You can break it apart and do something each day to where it's only minutes. per day for you to do this. If you have been following along, it's really minutes per week for each activity. Stupid simple. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'm glad you're here. I'm glad I was able to step outside today and enjoy the sun. Maybe that's what you share with people, what you are grateful for. All right. Have fun with this challenge. Happy World Online Networking Month. And I will see you live next Wednesday, sometime between 3:30 and 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for our next edition of Networking Know-How and our last edition for World Online Networking Month. And it's an episode you're not going to want to miss. So until next Wednesday, I will see you then. Bye for now. Happy relational networking.